cornfield at the end of a long dirt road. Carolina plowboy, ain't had a free summer since I was 10 years old. Mama made us pick our own switches so we could feel the sting of doing wrong. That set me straight on the road I'm still on. I am who I am, the product of a good woman loved by a real good man. I learned what I've learned by finding the right way in all of my wrong turns. I love what I love, I ain't afraid to say it, 'cause I'm damn sure man enough. That's what you need to see to get a picture of me. I grew up on gospel, 'cause that's all my daddy did listen to. I found my soul in rock and roll when me and my first guitar were introduced. Truth is I've only loved one woman, and she'd have stayed, but I made her leave. She's still haunting me in every song I sing. I am who I am, the product of a woman still loved by a stubborn man. I've learned what I've learned by finding the right way in all of my wrong turns. I love what I love, I ain't afraid to say it, 'cause I'm damn sure man enough. That's what you need to see to get a picture of me. Like me or leave me, either way you know it the second you shake my hand. I'm a long way from Jesus, but I know he knows I'm doing the best I can.
I know it ain't Sunday, and this bench seat ain't no pew, and I know I've left you hanging like that cross around my rearview. But these back roads kick up questions like these bridgestones kick up dirt. So I had to pull on over and turn this truck into a church. Could you hold back the city from the family farm? Put some bass in the pond as long as my own. Give me one more season with my bird dog bow. Some CDP on the radio. Can you bring everybody overseas back safe? And one of these years let the bulls win state. Let Grandpa watch you through the pearly gates up there. And if it ain't out of line, then could you find a little time for a country boy's prayer? I pray corn grows taller than a scarecrow, and the co-op don't shut down. It'd be nice to get another year of Daddy's John Deere breaking ground, when you ain't too busy making this world go round. And could you hold back the city from the family farm? Put some bass in the pond as long as my own. Give me one more season with my bird dog bow. Some CDP on the radio. Can you bring everybody overseas back safe? And one of these years let the boys win state. Let Grandpa watch it through the pearly gates up there. And if it ain't out of line, could you find a little time for a country boy's prayer? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know we're just a little dot on the map, but the good book says you'll meet me where I'm at.
Everybody don't grow up at the end of a red dirt road, where daddy's got an 85 Ford on blocks and mama's in the backyard hanging up clothes. Everybody wasn't brought up in a little white clapboard church. Sunday morning was a clip-on tie, Wednesday night was blue jeans and a camouflage shirt. Ooh, no, it ain't the only way. Ooh, and change the way I was raised. I was raised on John Deere grain, 316. Cut a little grass with some gasoline. Wetting the line off a two-lane bridge. Hold the light while your daddy turns a wrench. Keep your word and love your girl. Talk to God all the time. Keep a little sweet tea in your cup. There's raised up and there's raised upright. Summer days getting sunburnt on that muddy old riverbank sand. Summer nights hanging out in a hayfield, wiping dust off a cold beer can. Oh, yeah, it sure goes fast. Oh, I'm so thankful that I was raised on John Deere grain, 316. Cut a little grass for some gasoline. Wetting the line off a two-lane bridge. Hold the light while your daddy turns a wrench. Keep your word and love your girl. Talk to God all the time. Keep a little sweet tea in your cup. There's raised